guys, welcome back to my channel Pranav Trader World. Today we are going to unbox the new Motorola G40 Fusion. The back side of the box, you can see some specifications of the phone. It has a 6000 mAh big massive battery and a FSD plus 120Hz fast refresh rate screen. So let's unbox it. Let's remove the phone. The case is already on the phone. Let's remove it. I bought a frosted champagne color. It has a 64 megapixel triple camera setup. Let's keep the phone aside. Down we have some documentation. And you have a cable. It is a USB to USB Type-C cable. And you get a 20-watt fast charger. And a SIM ejector tool. I bought a new case for the phone. I will apply the case on the phone now. So now I will set up the phone. The setup is complete. Now you can see the display refresh rate. It has an auto display refresh rate 60 Hz and 120 Hz. You can switch between them. Now let's talk about the ports and buttons. On the right side you have a power on and off button, volume rocker and a Google Assistant button. On the left side you have a SIM tray. Down you have primary microphone, Type-C port and a speaker grill. On the upper side you have a headphone jack and secondary noise cancellation microphone. On the back side you have a physical fingerprint sensor.